Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can send like messages when you're in a voice channel. Super simple. You're just going to get into a voice channel, anything like any voice channel you want, then select open chat, and it's going to select this channel inside of the voice channel, so you can basically talk to people here, and then they're going to get a notification up here like in show chat. You can also do it in general, but if you want to just like chat with like people in voice chat without like talking, you can definitely go here and select open chat, or if you're on this page, select the show chat here, and you can talk to people inside of the voice channel. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!